Alright, let's see if it's recording. Let me see. Recording? Show me the red dot. Oh, there it goes. Sorry, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So we're here again, another video, and we are. Dang, I wish I could change the brightness. Oh shit. Ugh. Okay, well, fuck it, good enough. Anyways, I'll figure out how to use this camera later. But we're back, and today we have a little surprise. I got parts. I got parts for my cars. I got parts for this car. I got parts for that car. So let's get into it. And I also got parts for the Mercedes that I might go pick up in a bit. So first things first, we got, I'll probably do an unboxing for that later. But what we got for the TL. We got all that junk that looks like shit, but it's really not shit. But anyways, first things first, we got a visor, bitches. We got a visor. So the TL parts, all of them came from my homie. Look at that. Yeah, she's dusty. Go fuck yourself. I don't care. Bam, look at that. Anyways, all the parts came from my homie for the TL. His name is UA6BYJ. Look at that thing. Anyways, look at that thing. I'm gonna do a review. Exposing myself, because this shit right here, it ain't it, bro. And I'll tell you why. Look, I will show you why. What the fuck is that? Garbage. I hate this conversion. Anyways, forget about all that. We got seat covers. Look at them shits. So good, so smooth and buttery. Look at that. Nice. Endless RPM version 1s with the headrest stuff too. We also got the most important part for the TL, the fucking battery cover that everybody seems to not have in their TLs. So that's gonna go in. That part is for the Lexus. And then we got more in the trunk. We got too much junk in the trunk. What's that? Yeah. Carbon fiber. Yeah, that's gonna go right there. See that? Right there. Yeah. Fuck you guys. I love this car. Don't get me wrong, but the only problem is the interior. It's cheeks, bro. Ain't nobody like that color. So hopefully putting it with black carbon fiber, right? It's gonna change the look completely. And not only do we have the seats, we also have, let me go on the other side. Not only do we have the seat covers, right? We got the back and front, but we also got, damn, there's so much. We also got, where the fuck? Fuck it, I don't care. We got the fucking floor mats to match. They're somewhere. Oh, these things. We got this shit. Give me a second. I'm trying to take all this junk out of my car, but we got these motherfuckers right here too. So no more cheeked ass fucking caca doo-doo, right? It's gonna be black and it'll be two-tone because the doors will still be okay, but it'll be black. And then maybe I might swap out that trim right there too for carbon fiber as well, so it matches. But yes, anyways, enough of that shit. We have all these parts. New videos dropping every fucking several months. Nah, I'm gonna see if I can't get back on it and be really, really good about it, just for you guys, all 229 of you legends. Thank you for fucking subbing up. And then we got these bad boys too. Yeah. Carbon fiber. And this shit is gonna go And this is gonna go on the original one, like right here, like, yay, but obviously not on this one because this one's a piece of shit. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go through all this stuff and I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I'm not gonna make this mistake of holding out on recording because I really want to start doing it. Yeah, we're going to deep dive this bitch. Look at that, look at that, sad. Anyways, we're going to deep dive this on the stuff that I put on. Right, but I mean, don't look at it at that side. Look at it at this side. It's kind of valid, right? Pretty cool. Not too snazzy. Oh shit! I would have. Oh no! I would have left this shit outside. I apologize if the audio is trash. I did not put on my mic to do this because like I said, I don't really do this. But yeah. So I'm probably gonna pull all this stuff out, put it aside, and then when I get a chance, the sun's already going down. Maybe next week, or sorry, not that next week. This up and coming week, I'm gonna film, put all this shit on, and yeah, we're gonna do some stuff. We're gonna do some stuff. I'm taking you with me. 6-speed, 6 speed, bro. Diddy party right here. Anyways, I'm not gonna show you guys what this is, but if you guys can guess, take a guess. Put it in the comments. What is that? It does belong on the Lexus. So, with that being said, that shit's gonna get a fucking makeover. This shit's gonna get a fucking makeover, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So stay tuned. Thanks for hanging out. Happy holidays, by the way. If you guys celebrate holidays, if not, go fuck yourself. I don't care. I'm saying happy holidays. Ain't nobody trying to be politically correct here. Shit, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, for those of you guys who are new and are checking out our channel, feel free to subscribe. We're definitely trying to get to 250 by the end of the year, because this year we kind of took it a little bit more serious and we came up. We're almost a quarter of 1,000 guys, so definitely hit that like and subscribe. And then also our YouTube channel, not our YouTube channel, sorry, our Instagram page is _the_empty_garage, I believe. No, yeah, the empty garage, and it has all 3 cars in it in the front. So yeah, maybe give us a follow, check us out. All right, well, anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys, and the next video will be some mods. We'll see. Maybe the TL. I really want to get all that funky butt color out of there because it ain't it, bro. It ain't it. So, all right, guys. Well, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces. Let me see. I know how to do it now. Nice.